What's good, y'all? It's your girl, LaRobin Lachey, and we're back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the market and we're going to see if we can find a setup today. Right now, we're going to start off by looking at Forex Factory. The time right now is 8:22 a.m. in the morning, and we have news at 8:30. So news is coming up very soon, and we have CPI news. So I'm expecting a lot of momentum in the market. We also have news at 10:30, and it's kind of like minor to me. We also have news at 10:30. The news for a orange folder is kind of minor to me, so if I'm already in a position, I will not be getting out of a trade. But normally if we have a red folder, I will not trade news. I'll wait for news to play out, and then if I see a setup, I would take a setup 5 or 10 minutes afterward, or whenever a setup presents itself. But my normal trading session is between 8 o'clock to about 11:30. I try to be at the market, sometimes 12. It all depends on the setup. But going to a simple 1-to-1, take profit at 1-to-1. I'm normally in the market scalping for about, I'll say about 15 minutes to about 40 minutes at the most sometimes. If price seems like it's consolidating a lot and it's taking forever to hit my TP, sometimes I'll just go ahead and get out the market. Or I would bring my stop loss up to break even, and if it goes back to my stop loss, I would have not lost any money for that day. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in the market. Okay, first I'm going to pull up NAS100. Right now we are looking at the NASDAQ, and it seems like on the 4-hour, price rejected a lot yesterday, and look like we may get a continuation to the upside. Let's go ahead and check out the 1 hour. Look like price is above my EMA as well. So that's more confirmation that I may go in for a buy right out the news if a setup presents itself. Right now it is at a level that I would take a trade, and it currently broke my area of interest and it retested. If news was not about to happen, then I will go ahead and get in that trade for today. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold. We're looking on the 4-hour at gold, and price has rejected this level yesterday, and we caught a good buy up. I went for a simple 1-to-1. I sent the trade idea to my group, and people were able to hit TP3, and that was good. If you want to see that trade, then go look at my video from yesterday, and you will see me getting an entry on gold. Right now, it looks like gold may come to this level, and once it gets to this level, it could either reject and come back down, or it could continue and go higher. When news does happen and we get some momentum in the market, then I could better decide on what I would like to do. We're currently playing the waiting game, and we're just waiting for news to happen at 8:30. So I'll be getting back with you guys at 8:30. I ended up finding an entry on NAS100 a little bit after news happened. This trade took about 40 to 45 minutes, so I did have to hold it after market open. I normally don't trade market open, but being that I was already in this trade, I just held throughout news because price was not near my stop loss. If you're a beginner trader and you just want to see how the market moves, this portion of the video will be perfect for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more content like this. Or if you really enjoyed the content and the effort that I put into this video, be sure to give me a like. As I stated before, this trade took about 40 to 45 minutes. So I did end up speeding up the video so it wouldn't take 40 to 45 minutes for it to complete. But when taking a trade, you really have to trust your analysis and get a habit of holding your trades, whether it hit TP or whether it hit stop loss or break even. You should know how to enter, how to exit the trade if it's not going in your favor, or sometimes just learn how to take a loss, because in trading you will experience all those things. And I really hope you find the value in this video.